Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to make a Zoom video chatting kind of a application where multiple people can chat at the same time. So you can see this is a live demo of the application that we will be building using Node.js, Express, Socket.io, and this will be a WebRTC kind of a application, and you can see there are various options available to you. So the full source code of this application will be there inside the video description. I have given the full blog post link here inside the video description. So just go to the video description and you will be landing on this blog post. So step by step instruction is given. So if you land on this blog post, you will see this download source code button. Just click this button and you will be redirected to the GitHub repository where all the source code is given here. So simply either you can click the code button and download the zip file. So it will download the zip file as attachment. So you will see all the source code will be there. And if you just drag down inside the blog post, step by step instruction will be given with images, and a live demo will also be given. If you click this link, so this app is deployed to Heroku. So Heroku is a platform for web applications. So if you open this app here, you will see this uh, screen here. So here you can just have any participants as well. So you can share this link. So just copy to clipboard this link here, and if you open this inside another link, so now you will see two persons will be joined in. So this is taking the shape of Zoom clone video chat here, so where multiple people can chat at the same time. So you can just repeat this process as many number of times here. So just you need to just share this link with your friends here, and just copy paste this link inside the Chrome browser or any sort of browser. So I am running this on the same browser here, so that is why it is taking some time here. So you will see three persons are there. So you can just repeat it as many number of times. So there are various options which are available to you. You can even also share your screen as well. Just select the screen to share and just share it. So now instead of your face, you will be sharing your screen. So at any moment of time, if you want to stop it, you can click this button, stop sharing, and that's it. So you can even toggle screen off and off if you don't want to show the face here like this. And also you can see the participants which are there inside by clicking this button. You can copy to clipboard, and this mic also you can enable this and disable this. And this is, you can even text chat as well. So you can just write a message hi and send here. So you will see new message, and inside this window also you can see. So this is a fully fledged Zoom clone kind of application. The link will be there inside the video description. So you can also enter a name for chat also. So now once you send this, you will see your name will be appearing here like this. Nice interface here. So in this way you can just build this application. The link will be there inside video description of the blog post. So just go to it, to the video description, and download all the source code. And thanks very much for watching this video, and please check out my website freemediatools.com, a tool based website. The link will be there inside video description.